There is a place where time seems to hold its breath, where the past and present dance in the golden light. Welcome to Istanbul. A city split across two continents, united by the shimmering waters of the Bosphorus. Here, every stone tells a 1,000-year-old story, and every sunset paints a masterpiece across the sky. In the heart of the city, the Blue Mosque stands as a majestic testament to faith and eternal beauty. Within these walls, light and shadow play a divine game, offering a moment of profound and silent peace. Beyond the monuments, the streets pulse with life. The aroma of freshly baked bread and spices fills the air. Sizzling street food and the energy of the crowd weave a rich tapestry of flavors and timeless tradition. As the sun dips below the horizon, you realize Istanbul isn't just a destination. It's a feeling that stays forever, and this is just the beginning. Istanbul, a city where every cobblestone whispers a story and every shadow holds a secret. At the heart of the empire stands the Hagia Sophia. Its golden domes capture the first light, bridging the gap between heaven and earth. Inside, discover ancient mosaics that have watched centuries pass. A sanctuary where grand history meets a silent, mystical beauty. As the sun dips below the horizon, the skyline transforms into a silhouette of minarets and dreams against an orange sky. Beneath the bustling streets lies a silent world. The Basilica Cisterna, a subterranean forest of stone reflecting in still, dark waters. Then, emerge into the chaos. The Grand Bazaar pulsates with life, a kaleidoscope of spices, colors, and the scent of ancient trade. Every corner of this labyrinth tells a tale of a merchant's journey, surviving through the rise and fall of nations. From golden heights to moody depths, Istanbul is a journey through time itself. But we weren't ready for this. Where the echoes of ancient empires meet the pulse of tomorrow. Istanbul, a city that spans two worlds. The morning begins with a ritual as old as time. A simple cup of Turkish coffee on a weathered wooden table. Beyond the terrace, white ferries glide across the deep blue waters of the Bosphorus, connecting continents with every journey. Along the shore, the Dolmabahce Palace stands in imperial grandeur, its white marble carvings whispering stories of a lavish, royal past. Nearby, the ancient stones of Rumeli Fortress stand guard, weathered by centuries yet unyielding in their silent, historic strength. But step into the heart of the city and the energy shifts. The iconic red tram makes its way through Istiklal Street. From the rush of Taksim Square to the aroma of street food, Istanbul's urban soul is alive, vibrant, and ever-moving. As evening falls, the Galata Tower watches over the skyline, bathed in the warmth of a burning orange sky. It is a city of rich flavors and glistening light. A bridge between continents where every detail tells a story. And somehow, in the glow of the night, it all fits perfectly together. Istanbul, the soul of the world.